Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by generating 15 niche ideas tied to your knowledge and audience, then immediately test intent. Search 5 variations per idea to see results. Are people asking questions, buying, or researching? Once done, score each idea for demand, competition, and monetization potential. Make sure to keep only the top 3 that show clear problems you can solve and realistic income routes. This saves time and focuses research on niches with momentum. Now dive deep. Use keyword tools to pull volume, CPC, and difficulty for 3 to 10 seed keywords. This tells you where traffic and value lie. Next, analyze the top 10 posts for angle, content length, and missed subtopics. Identify gaps you can own. Also, mine forums and social comments to capture authentic pain points and language. Once you synthesize these signals, create a content map that targets underserved queries and higher value phrases for faster traction. Choose one niche that balances demand, manageable competition, and clear monetization. Commit and design a 6-month content calendar with a flagship pillar, supporting posts, and lead magnets. Publish consistently, promote initial posts, and measure 5 KPIs: organic traffic, rankings, CTR, conversions, and revenue. If growth stalls, troubleshoot. Revisit keyword intent, improve on gaps found in top pages, or refine your lead offer. This single adjustment often unlocks the next growth phase.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.